Hi, it's Becky here from Genie Frog Crochet, and in this video today I'm going to do a quick tutorial to show you how to make a solid granny square but without a seam that you can see as you're adding on rows. So I will show you how to do that. So to start, I'm using a double knit yarn and a 4mm hook, and we're going to make a slip knot and place it on our hook. And then you're going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4, and then join to the first chain that you made to make a loop. Join with a slip stitch. There we go. And then I'm going to chain 4, 3, 4. And then in your loop, you're going to make 3 double crochets. One, 2, 3. Then you're going to chain 2 for your corner. Make another 3. And another chain 2. And your next 3. And then chain 2 for your corner, and then you're going to make 2 double crochets, because this chain 4 that you made in the beginning, that counts as your first double of this last cluster. So make 2 double crochets in the center. And then what you want to do is you want to join to the 3rd chain of that chain 4 with a slip stitch, like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch into that corner space. There we go. You can pull your tail in to close your center up. So we're going to then chain 4 and make 2 double crochets in that corner space. And you're going to make a double crochet into the top of each of the 3 on that row. And then in the corners you're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, get some more yarn, 2 double crochet, and then a double into the top of each stitch. Oops. There we go. And again in the corner, 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles, and then 1 in the top of each stitch. Whoops. Two, chain 2, and 2. Oops, nearly did just 1 then. And then 1 in the last 3. That last one can be a bit fiddly to get into, so it's the chain that you started with. And then you're going to do 1 double crochet into that corner space where we started, and again join in the 3rd chain, this one here, with a slip stitch, and again slip stitch over into your corner. And you basically just repeat this for however big you want your square to be. So I'll do another row with you. So you chain 4 and then 2 double crochets in that corner stitch, and then a double into each stitch along. It's a lovely way of using up any scraps you've got if you want to make a lovely scrappy colourful blanket. I do love colourful blankets myself. Life's too short for beige. 2 in the corner, chain 2, 2 in the corner, and then 1 in each stitch, and it is as easy as that. Make another corner, and I mean you could make small squares and join them together. You could just keep going and going and going and make a big square blanket. It is a nice alternative to the usual granny square, which has got the granny clusters. And it's a nice way to practice your double crochets as well. Last corner. There we go. I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you are, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a like. I'm really enjoying making these for you all. So I hope you are enjoying crocheting along with me. There we go. And again, this last one is a little bit tighter to get into, so make sure you don't miss it. And don't forget to put 1 double crochet then into your corner, because that double and the chain we start with makes your 2 for the corner. And again, slip stitch into the 3rd, slip stitch over into your corner, and as you can see, that means that basically your seam is hidden in the corner, so you'll never when I first learned to do granny squares, I was sort of joining in the middle and there was this ugly line of chains going up, but it's pretty much invisible doing it this way. So there we go, there is your solid granny square with no seam. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again next time. Thanks, bye bye.